Alright, today I'm going to show you how I installed my diesel heater in my RV. So let's get started. So back here is where my diesel heater is installed, or was installed. I had to take it out the other day because I believe the glow plug is bad. I've already cleaned it out once, put it back together, and it wouldn't put out heat. So let me pull this thing here up and show you what I got. Okay, so there's the hole for the diesel heater, and that little silvery thing right there, that's the intake for the diesel heater. And then the white stuff is insulation, fire resistant, fireproof insulation that I put around inside the hole around the exhaust so that it doesn't melt all the insulation or foam that's underneath this floor. Because this floor is it's 1/8 inch plywood, I guess, maybe 1/16, and then foam, and then 1/8 or 1/16 inch plywood again, and then carpet or whatever you want to call it. This used to be my master bedroom. Used to have a big mattress, 6 inch thick mattress on it. But anyhow, that's where the diesel heater goes, and this is the box that I built to go over top of it, and I drilled the holes so that way the air can come in for the intake of the diesel heater. So let's put that back down, and we'll go outside. So that's how that looks. And then this goes right like that, and covers up the outtake or whatever of the heat pipe that comes in. And then that's my inverter right there with my solar charge controller right there. Alright, so this is the outside of my RV, and this is where the other stuff for the diesel heater is at. And it's got a few other things in there too. That's my Panda spin dryer, closed spin dryer, and pillboxes. And there's the diesel heater right there. I'll show you that here in a few minutes. But up here is my diesel heater up inside that hole. That's the hole coming down from the bedroom. And then there's the fuel pump, which I don't care what anybody tells you. I've had that fuel pump in straight up and down at a 45-degree angle, almost at a 90-degree angle. It still operates just fine. Anyhow, that's the exhaust going out that way. And I'll show you that over here. So that's what I did, and I shoved that same stuff in there, this fireproof material. Been working fine. But and then there's the fuel tank. I have mounted that to that door. It works great, and just routed the line down along here and over here, and no big deal. Works great. So let me show you about this. Now, so anyhow, that's how the diesel heater goes in, or how I put it in anyhow. This is not a how-to video. This is a how I did it video. The reason why I did it was using the propane furnace on this RV really uses up propane quickly. And so I wanted a more efficient way to heat the RV during the winter. And that's what I came up with. And actually, the diesel heater that I have in it now, the one I just, the one that I just took out is going to stay out. And I've got a new one coming. The new one is a Vivor off of Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description for that. The new one is you can control it with the what am I thinking of? Bluetooth. So it'll be much easier to control. Won't have to get up out of bed to adjust the temperature or anything like that. Turn it on or off. I can just do it from my phone or my tablet. But anyhow, hope everybody is doing well. I hope you learned something from this. Anyhow, have a good day and see you on the next video.